The given bar graph shows the result of annual examination in a school from standard 4th to 7th. See here, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. In which standard is the result of the girls less than the average result of the boys from the school? Now this is a tricky question. First find the average of the boys and then check where the girls are lesser. So average of boys equals to total of boys upon number, that is 4. So 70, what is boys? 70 plus 55 plus 80 plus 50, right? 225 upon 4, 63.75. Now girls are 90, 80, 70 and this is 50. So they are less in standard 6th only. The girls should be less than the average of the boys. Remember, that is important. You have to find the average and then you have to find where the girls are less. So they are only less in standard 6th. In all other standards, they are higher than the average percentages of